Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about how to change your background during Google Meet meeting. It's very easy to do. Before we jump into the meeting, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump right into this, and you're able to use any image. You can upload an image as a background from your computer, or you can use some of the images that Google Meet provides. Let's jump right into this. I'm going to go to meet.google.com. That's their website, and you can start a brand new meeting, or let's say if someone sends you an invitation code or a link, you can join their meeting. So in this example, I'm gonna just start a brand new meeting and then start an instant meeting. Let's do that, and you get to this page right here, and look at this. How cool is this? That the image is or the background is blurred. So this is the meeting ready screen. So I haven't started the meeting yet. You can change your background on this screen, or even before joining the meeting, or once you have started the meeting or joined the meeting, you can change the background there as well. So how do you change meeting background from this screen? It's right here, this icon, and it says change background. And here are different options. So first of all, if I don't do anything to my background, this is what it looks like, just the whiteboard. Here is the blur, and this is like the slight blur. It's pretty good. And then here's another one. This is actually blur your background completely. I actually love this one. And I'll look at some of these options. So if I wanted to, and these are some of the backgrounds that Google Meet has. Look at this. That's a pretty neat one. Ooh, holidays or fall. Beach. Some of these are really, really fun. So you can use some of these or any one of these from here. Or let's say if you wanted to upload an image, you can design your custom background, maybe with your logo on it. That would be really, really cool. So what you want to do is upload from disk, click on that. And now, let's see, I believe I do have something office backgrounds like that, and let's open. Let's see how this looks like. There you go. So it looks like I'm in an office. How cool is that? There you go. So this is how you change your background before joining the meeting. Now let me erase this, turn off the background, and let's start or join the meeting. So I'm going to click on this, and now I am inside the meeting right now. So if you're inside the meeting, the way you change your background is you look at these three bars or three dots, and it's just more options screen. You click on this, and it's on the bottom side, on the bottom right hand side. So when you click on this, and there's in this menu, there is an option called change background, which is right here. I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but change background. When you click on that, now you have access to the same thing. You can blur, you can add image from the disk, or you can use one of their existing backgrounds. Look at that. You can blur it too. It's really, really fun. So this is how, let me leave the call. This is how you change your background in Google Meet meeting. Very simple to do. If you have any questions, leave those questions below in the comments. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.